Here is the sign for power. Okay, we're going to use both hands. I'm right-handed, so with my non-dominant hand, the hand shape doesn't really matter too much, just like a loose hand. That's fine. We're going to put it out here because we're going to be focusing on our bicep area. Yes, power. Dominant hand, I'm right-handed. We're going to make the letter C, like in the alphabet, C. How do we make a C? Start like this, fingers together, curve them down. We have something that looks like a C. Okay, we're going to use the tips of the finger and the thumb, and we're just going to go straight into our bicep. We're actually going to be touching our bicep. Power. At the same time, you can add in a facial expression which kind of shows, it's really powerful. From the side, power. From the other side, power. From the front again. Okay, starting from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Power. Okay, quick review. My right hand is my dominant hand, so non-dominant hand shape just loose. Stick it out there. We're going to be focusing on the bicep. Dominant hand, letter C. Take the letter C, the tips of the fingers and the tip of the thumb, bring it straight into your bicep. All right, like you got a big bicep there, right? Power. Power. At the same time, put in a facial expression which kind of, powerful. Wow. Okay, we just talked about how to sign power.